In today's video, we will be showing you how to throw a great Galentine's Day party. For this project, you're going to need balloons, a balloon tying tool, some balloon adhesive, and a balloon pump. We've also included a number of fun additions, including a wide variety of candies, some wine, some chocolates, and even some romance novels. Our first step will be inflating our latex balloons, which is easiest using a pump. You'll want to use a balloon tying tool for fastest and easiest results. After we've inflated our latex balloons, we're going to want to inflate our letter balloons for step 2. Simply insert the straw into the vent, inflate, and then when you're finished, pull the straw out and seal the balloon. For step 3, you'll want to use your balloon adhesive to start arranging the letter balloons. You can also use ribbon to hang your latex balloons around the room. Once we have all our balloons arranged, we can begin adding some finishing touches. For a fun touch, use chocolate as garnishes for your chocolate-flavored wine. And last, you can't forget the snacks. Now we are all ready for a great Galentine's Day party. Feel free to add your own touches or favorite snacks and games to make the party your own. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and drop us a comment below.